Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter mixed operations. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 2 math. The chapter we are on right now is mixed operations. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is addition and subtraction word problems up to 20. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so the first example is Jeff's mother made 7 ham sandwiches and 6 jelly sandwiches for the class picnic. How many sandwiches did she make all together? I'm good. How are you? Okay, so she made 7 hamburgers and 6 jelly burgers. You have to see how many burgers she make in all together. So you need to add them. You have to do 6 plus 7, right? So start with the greater number, count up till the smaller one. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 6 makes 13. That means she made in total 13 burgers, right? You need to understand the question. Then you have to see which operation you have to perform, either add or either subtract. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, here is the live chat button. You can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. They are available during the shift timing, that is between Monday to Friday and 5 to 9. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is last month Nancy did a total of 15 problems for math homework. She got 3 problems correct. How many problems she miss? So the total problems she did is 15, right? And only 3 of them are correct. You need to find the ones that she missed, right? So you have to, which operation you have to perform, addition or subtraction? You have to subtract. So you need to do 15 take away 3, right? So 5 take away 3 is 2 and keep 1 as it is. So that is 12. That means if she did 3 of them correct, she missed 12. The correct option is 12. So the correct option is option number T 50. Option number 2, 15 take away 3 is 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. Florence flipped a coin and got head on 5 flips. She did a total of 9 flips. How many flips? How many of the flips were tails? So total hit she did 9 times, right? 5 of the flips were head. You need to count, you need to find the one that are tail. So the total are 9. 5 of them are head. So how many of them are tail? Which operation you have to do, addition or subtraction? Which is the correct option? You have to subtract 9, take away 5 is 4. That means if she did total of 9 flips, 5 of them are head, then 4 of them were tail. The correct option is 4. 4 of them were tail. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, Jennifer flipped a coin and got heads on 2 flips. You have to subtract Jennifer flipped a coin and got head 2 on 2 flips. She did a total of 11 flips. How many of the flips were tails? You are given the total, right? And you are given 2 of them were head. You need to find the ones that are tails. So, how do you find? Yes, you have to take away, right? Taking away because you need to find total flips were 11. 2 of them were head. You need to find how many of them were tail. That means you have to do a 11 take away 2. What do you mean by is this adding mixed with subtracting? The questions are related to addition and subtraction. You need to understand the question, which one you have to add and for which one you have to subtract. 11 take away 2 is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. That means if she did total of 11 flips, 2 of them are head, the rest of the 9 were tail. The correct option is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Pam had a birthday party. Two girls and two boys from her class came. How many of the classmates were at the party? So let's just understand the question. It's Pam's birthday, right? Two girls and two boys from her class came. You need to find how many total classmates were at the birthday party. So what do you do? Add or subtract? Just understand the question, then you will understand which operation you have to perform. You need to add, right? So the total, yes, the total classmates were 4. The correct option is option number 2. 4 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is there were a total of 18 books on the shelf, then 17 were taken away. How many books are left? Just understand the words, right? The total books were 18, 17 were taken away. You are left, you need to find the books you are left. So, which operation you have to perform? You have to do 18, take away 17. Yes, the correct option is 1 because you need to count the books that were left on the shelf. So the total they were 18, 17 were taken away. So you are left with only one book on the shelf. Very good. Okay, Rudy is working on some math homework that is due tomorrow. Yesterday he completed 7 problems. There are 18 problems altogether. How many problems does Rudy have left to finish today? So the total problems are 18. 7 he already did. So the correct option is 18 take away 7 is 11. So that means he still have left with 11 problems he have to do today, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is addition and subtraction ways to make a number up to 20. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the next one is how do you make 10? So basically, you are given with the four options. You have to select the option that makes 10, right? But here in the tutorial, you are not given with the options. So let's just start with the test questions so that we can. Okay, let's just look. How do you make 13? You are given two options, 11 plus 2 or 11 plus 4. So which option makes 13? The correct option is option number 1, that is 11 plus 2, because 11 plus 2 makes 13. You need to add and check which one makes 13, right? The next one is how do you make 7? So you're given two of the options. Just subtract and check which one makes 7. Which is the correct option? Just start subtracting and see which is the correct option. 14 take away 7 is 7 and 14 take away 6 is 8. So which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option, right? That is 14 take away 7 is 7. Very good. The correct option is option number 1. The next one is which is not a way to make 9. So which is the correct option? Not a way to make 9 means the one that doesn't make 9 when solved. So which is the correct option? The correct option is you are given two of the options, right? Just solve and check which one is not a way to make 9? Just subtract, right? 9 take away 1 is 8 and 7 plus 2 is 9. So which is the correct option? Very good. That is option number 1. Option number 1 is the one that doesn't makes 9, right? So the correct option is 9 take away 1. Which is not a way to make 18, which is the correct option? That is not a way to make 16. Option 2 is the one that makes 16. Option number 1 is the correct option. When you add 9 plus 7 is 16. You need to select the one that does not make 16. So option number 1 is the correct option. 9 plus 6 is 15. Option number 1 is the correct option. How do you make 15? So which is the correct option? 'Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Because 15 plus 0 makes 15. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is how do you make 4? So which is the correct option? 'How do you make 4? So which is the correct option? Very good. That's option number 1. 4 take away 0 is the option that makes. The next one is which is not a way to make 11. So which is the correct option? 11, not a way to make 11. Very good. That is 16 take away 4. That doesn't make 11, right? The next one is which how do you make 1, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. 0 plus 1 makes 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is how which is not a way to make 19, which is the correct option? Which is not a way to make 19? Yes, that is option number 1. 14 plus 6 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, that is addition and subtraction, balance equations up to 20. Which number makes the equation true? 12 plus the missing number equals 19, take away 1. So basically in the test questions you are given the options. You can put different numbers in the blank space and see which one is the correct option. But the first thing you need to know is balancing equation means when you solve both sides of the equation they have exactly same answer, like are equal. So solve this side. 19 take away 1 is 18. Now you need to see which number when added to 12 makes 6. Sorry, which number when added to 12 makes 18, right? So you are given the options. You can check with different numbers. So 12 plus 6, when you add 6 to 12, they makes 18, and that's how the equation is balanced because both sides of the equation have the same answer. Got it? Balancing means when you solve both sides of the equation, the answer is exactly same. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. There you can see the live chat button. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact tutors through this live chat button. Which number makes the equation true? You have 6 plus 1 and the missing number minus 9, right? So solve. 12 plus 7 is 19 and 19 is not equal to 18. That is 12 plus 6. Okay, so solve this side. 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Now you need to find the number that when subtracted from 9 makes 11. So which number when subtracted from 9 makes 7? You are given two numbers 11 and 16. Let's see if 11 take away 9 makes 7. 11 take away 9 is 2. This isn't the correct option. Check with the second one. 16 take away 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, 16 take away makes 7. 16 take away 9 makes 7, right? So that means the missing number is 16. 16 is the number that keeps the equation balanced. 7 is equal to 16 minus 9 is 7. So the missing number is 16. Got it? The missing number is 16. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is which number makes the equation true? Yes, that is 6. Just add this side. 2 plus 4 makes 6. Now you need to find the number that when subtracted from 0 makes 6. So yes, 6 it is, because 6 take away 0 is 6, and then both sides of the equation is equal. Got it? So that is, the missing number is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, which number makes the equation true? So which is the correct option? So solve this side. 12, 20 take away 6. 20 take away 6 is 14. Now which number when added to 3 makes 14? Which is the correct option? That is 11. Yes, 11 plus 3 makes 14. So the correct option is 11. That keeps the equation balanced. 11 is the correct option. Very good. Which number makes the equation true? So you need to find 1 plus 2 is 3, right? So 10 is subtracting from which number? So that the answer is 3, which is the correct option. The correct option is 13 take away 10, right? 13 take away 10 is 3, and 3 is equal to 3. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 13. Very good. Which number makes the equation true? That is 12 plus the missing number equals 19 take away 1. 19 take away 1 is 18. Now you need to see which number you have to add to 6 to make it 18. So which is the correct option? That is 12 plus 6 makes 18. Yes, option number 1 is the correct option. That is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, the next one is which number makes the equation true? So which is the correct option? Just solve the this side. You can see 12 take 20 take away 1 is, sorry, this is the blank. 20 take away 1 is 19. Now you need to see which number you add to 17 to make the equation balance. So which is the correct option? That is 17 plus 2 makes 19. So the correct option is option number 2. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is addition and subtraction equations up to 20, true or false. Which sentence is true? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which sentence is true? You are given two options. 9 take away 4 is 5 and 0 plus 1 is 9. So how do we see which one is true? Just see if you solve them, they have both sides exactly equal. Like the first one is 9 take away 4. So just subtract. 9 take away 4 is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. That means this is the true one, right? Just look at the second one. 0 plus 1 equals 9. Just add 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 is not equal to 9. Got it? So the correct option is the one that has both sides exactly equal. That is the true. So option number 1 is the correct option. That is 9 take away 4 is 5. Okay, the next one is which sentence is true? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 9 minus 6 is 2. No, this isn't the correct one. How? When you subtract 9 take away 6. This is not the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. When you subtract 9 take away 6 is 3 and 3 is not equal to 2. You correct option is the one that has both sides exactly equal. That is 4 plus 2 is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? 9 take away 6 is 3 and 3 is not equal to 2. right? Option 2 is the correct option. 4 plus 2, because when you add both sides are 6. Which sentence is true? Which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. 3 plus 4 makes 7. That is the correct option. Which sentence is true? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 0 takeaway. 0 is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Very good. Which sentence is true? Which is the correct option? Which sentence is true? The correct option is that is 5 takeaway. 2 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is the correct one, right? Which sentence is true? Which is the correct option? That is 2 plus 1 equals 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. That is option number 1. 3 takeaway 0 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? Which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 5 plus 1 is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? Which is the correct option? That is 3 take away 2 equals 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? Which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is mixed operations. The lessons we have covered today are addition and subtraction word problems up to 20, addition and subtraction ways to make a number up to 20, addition and subtraction balance equations up to 20, addition and subtraction equations up to 20 true or false. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. They are available during the shift timing, that is from Monday to Friday and 5 to 9. So if you have any questions, you can please write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the with any of the lesson we have just finished. No questions?